PNI SafeHouse HS550 wireless alarm system contains all the accessories for immediate installation and use. The system offers complete protection of the home, giving the user full control and real-time monitoring of the system and the recorded events. Each area or room in a home needs a different and dedicated sensor for a particular event. Thus, we can configure the parameters of a sensor so that we know at any time whether a window or door was opened, if smoke, gas or water has been detected, or if motion has been detected in a certain room. Thus, we have in the configuration predefined names for each sensor added: door, window, bedroom, living room, balcony, perimeter, fire, gas or flood. The PNI S007 siren can be mounted quickly with minimal disturbance to the house due to wireless communication. It can be used as a wireless outdoor siren attached to an alarm system. The PNI S007 siren will continue to operate even when the power has been turned off or the power is cut off due to the rechargeable battery with which it is provided. The PNI CM002 wireless alarm system infrared sensor detects the door or window opening on which it is mounted and transmits the radio signal to the central unit. This eliminates the installation of cables, wires and drilling of walls in protected areas. The motion sensor for the PNI SafeHouse HS550 wireless alarm system detects if there are movements in the room where it is mounted and transmits the radio signal to the central unit. Simple and very easy to install, does not require cables or wires. The PNI SafeHouse HS190 remote control for wireless alarm system can be easily paired with the PNI S007 siren, the PNI CM002 infrared sensor and the HS003 motion sensor without being paired to a central unit, as they are standalone. The system offers complete protection of the home, giving the user full control and real-time monitoring of the system and the recorded events. The dedicated smartphone application and the menu available on the central unit offers real-time information both locally and remotely about alerts and events recorded for each type of sensor installed. We add to this category the function of monitoring and audio communication in real time with the protected area through the GSM connection.